Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good.
3 drones in a few months would have been pretty bad, and I couldn't face Linda with that one. This is my second drone, the one to replace the one I lost in Lake Ninan. Now, I decided to take it for a fly, but unfortunately I was looking for an area to fly in the bush. I was looking for the pathway, and I got seriously disorientated looking for the path. Getting a third drone, if I damaged this second drone, would have been quite detrimental. The bush got so thick, I stumbled, fell over many times. As you can see, my drone and controller is fine. I was determined not to damage it, and at the end of the day I got to the path, and it was a great day because I was able to fly my drone.
Today's gonna be a good day.